Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2010 Dodge Ram. Originally the car comes with the manual climate control. You can see that this system also supports the automatic climate control. And this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system and features that come with the system too. This system comes with a built-in navigation system, okay, built-in GPS. In order to use the GPS, you can also click on the right hand side bottom right corner and then new road address. This one is the newest PX6 platform, okay, of the Tesla style. It also comes with 4 GB of the RAM and 64 GB of the storage memory. It comes with the GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music. It also supports the steering wheel control. The original steering wheel control is fully compatible as well. And this one is also compatible with the radio. You can see that. The sound is very nice. It also allows you to add the external amplifier as well. Okay, click on the console. You will also pop up this one, and then you can also change the surround sound and the volume here. Okay. Okay, and this one also comes with the Wi-Fi. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you can use the Netflix right here. This one also comes with the video in motion. Okay, that means when you're driving on the road, then you can also watch the movie. But this is not recommended, of course. It's quite dangerous, only for your passenger. And this one also comes with YouTube. But all these kind of features, they require Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. You can also download the video to the USB, and then you can also play the video movie from the USB as well. How to do that is probably go there and then go here and then click on this one. The resolution of the screen actually is very high. Okay, you can see that it's very high here. Okay, so you can also go back and then you can download your own application to the system as well. And you also support the DVR. You also support to add the backup camera too. Okay, you also support the backup camera. And you can also download your own application from the Google Play Store. You also come the built-in wireless CarPlay, and you also come the built-in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Originally, it also comes with many features like the total emergency button, answer button, and also the parking sensor if your car comes with the parking. And then you can see that all the original features gonna be moved to the top of the panel. As you can see that the originally 4-wheel control is gonna be on the left side. And then the power outlet is gonna be moved to the right hand side. Everything is fully compatible with the original one. Okay. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us AutoTecPro. This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.